I'm Mac. Welcome to part 2 of the garage system series. So we're going to be putting in the cabinets on the wall, and then also these can have feet or they can go on the wall, but we are going to put feet on so that way you can just install them wherever you like. But we're going to start with the feet on this cabinet. All right, and then we are going to screw in the foot. All right, so now we can do all the other 4, and then we will get done with the other 2 sets of cabinets. All right, feet are on the cabinet. We're gonna secure it to the wall just to make sure it's not wobbly, because it definitely is. And I am gonna be really short for this. And on to the next cabinet. So I know I said I was doing the feet of the other cabinet, but I forgot that the next step would obviously be the upper cabinet. So it was a 2-man job, so I couldn't show you, but come on and take a look. Each cabinet screws together and then screwed it onto the wall. The next thing will be to do feet on the next cabinet, and then we'll have 2 more uppers and another cabinet, and then we'll have the bottom. Let's get to it. And the top is done. So we've got the 48-inch cabinet and then the 2 40-inch cabinet, 3 in the middle. This will have the toolbox, and then this is gonna have a bottom cabinet with a space. Let's get to the bottom. Plywood in, shelf in. Now it's time for a countertop with this bottom shelf, and we'll be back in a second. Countertop's in, but here is my favorite part. So next is slat walls. All right, so the slat wall's up. My husband definitely is the one that uses the grinder, not me, because we don't trust me in Sparks. Looks really good. There's a slight space on the side, but I don't think you can really tell from looking at it. I think it looks really good. So we will be putting together the toolbox, workbench, whatever you want to call it, next, and getting the slat wall up for that. Second slat wall is installed. Project Center is up. So it came with these different attachments. This one's a little magnet strip, it's pretty cool. Some baskets, different tools, and then a bunch of other little things for different kinds of tools. Also put in these light bars. The only thing about this, which seems really weird, that they wouldn't have it like a plug somewhere in order to make this functional. We're gonna have to drill holes in the back corner to get to the plugs up there. Also, we've got 1/2-inch outlet extenders that will go here. So this is gonna look so bad once we have this up. So let's get the lights installed. I have done this before, but you'd never know it. Okay. All right, we're gonna do the same spot on this one. All right, holes are drilled. Let's get the lights up. These lights come with a magnetic strip, so that way you can kind of move them around, which I really like that that's a feature. And then they also connect to each other. So let me get these opened and I will install them with you guys. Storage system is officially installed. We still have to make a couple holes for the surround sound. We have all the wiring up there from before. But other than that, I mean, I think it looks really good. I think it's a great addition and is gonna bring a lot of organization to the garage, because if you look over there, we've got a lot of crap. The next project we'll be doing is, I think, gonna be vacuum lights on the Corvette. So I hope you join in next time. Make sure to subscribe below, and I will see y'all later.